numbers. So this can produce basically we have a problem, the smallest positive missing. It is a major world problem, but to be honest, it is a easy world problem which we can solve by using set. Okay, but if we are going to try to solve it by using math method, then it is going to be solved by using median method. Okay, so the problem is given as we are given an integer array as the task is to find the smallest positive numbers missing from the array, and we have given positive numbers to start from 1. The array can have negative integers too. So basically in this problem we have an array, and that array contains both type of numbers, either to be positive numbers or to be like negative numbers. And here we have to return the smallest positive missing number in array. Okay, that means here we have to target only positive numbers, and inside the positive numbers here we have to return those missing numbers which is the smallest positive missing number. Okay, like if I'm talking about example 1 here, so here we have an example like 2 minus 3 4 117. So if we target only positive integers, so here we get like 2 4 117. so if we actually getting this value like 117 and 2, so here our the smallest positive missing number is like 2, because after 1 we actually getting 2, but after 2 we actually getting 3 which is not present inside the array, so here we have written 3. Okay, so which is our smallest number. Okay, similarly if I'm talking about example 2 here, so here we have 1 2 3, but 4 is not present. Like here if we are talking about example 2 here, so every element inside the array is like positive, so but we are not having 4 value, that means 4 element, so we have written 4 as an output. Okay, similarly example 2 here the smallest positive integer is like 1, and it is also like mentioned that question like that means positive number starts from 1. Okay, so the constant is given array dot set must be like greater than or equal to 1, that means it must be like greater than equal to 1, that means the smallest positive integer is like 1, and less than equal to 10 to the power 5, and here we need to solve this problem with an expected time complexity of order of n and expected order space of order of 1. And here we have like this question like has multiple companies like Ecolite, Amazon, Samsung, Snapdeal. So how can solve this problem? We can solve this one by using sets. So first of all we are going to define all about our sets. So on ordered set, okay, which is of integer type. Okay, once we have created the sets, we have to also insert all the array elements inside the set. So rate also given. Okay, so once we have like created the set, and now we have to insert the values of array inside the set, and in order to set the set is a different collections of objects, and sets converts all those specific values inside the set and it will become a unique values. Okay, now we can simply use sets method to check which of the positive element is not present inside the sets which we have written before. So here we know that we have the smallest positive integers like 1. So here we have to provide as int I is equal to 1. Now we have defined our smallest positive number, which is 1. Now we have to check the condition, and when we check inside the sets that which of the element is not present. Okay. Now look at this outcome, and we will check for others elements also. So if find So here are the finders. Here we are going to check for each index value. That means I am starting from I is equal to 1, which is the smallest positive number, and here I am checking by index. That means if st.find, if this particular I index value is not present, then we have to return st.end. But if it is found, that means if I am getting the missing value, then we will return those index which we have returned, okay, which defines the missing value. And similarly, we have to move to I++ for checking other elements, and if it is not found, then we have to return -1. Let's try to compile and run. Okay, so again we have to be -1, not equal to 1. Now let's try to compile and run again. Yeah, it's comparison completed and it is good. Let's try to submit it. Yes, submitted. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.